Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Did you celebrate the Children's Day? Did you celebrate? ¿Le celebraron el Día del Niño? I hope you did. Niños y niñas? It's great. I did. Yo le celebré a mi hija, so she was very happy. So today we're going to check a video about family, right? My family is there. That's unit 3, right? La unidad número 3 que estábamos revisando. Good. And here we have a member of the family, a very important member of the family. Do you have an idea who is she? Who is she? Do you remember? She is the mother or mom, right? The mother. How about this man? He is what member of the family is he? ¿Quién es? He is the dad or father, right? Dad or father. Who is he? He is a boy, so he is the... What do you think? How do you call him? ¿Cómo le llamamos in English? He is the brother, hermano, right? He is the brother. And then we have a very, very happy sister, right? She is a sister. Very good. Finally, 2 very, very important members of the family, my favorite ones. So we have, on the one hand, we have granny, and on the other hand, we have grandpa or grandfather, right? Now, every time you have a member of a family, or you, we talk about emotions, right? They feel emotions. Todos sentimos emociones. Nuestros hermanos, primos, tíos, papás, mamás sienten emociones. So, one very important emotion is when you are happy, right? So this emoji is happy, happy. So he says, I'm happy, I'm happy. Good, that's something you know. Eso sí se acuerdan, yo creo, right? Good. What happens when something bad happens to you? Cuando algo malo pasa, sometimes you get very not happy and you start crying most of the times. That's when you feel sad, right? Sad. You're sad. S-A-D. Good? Now, there are times when you work too much, cuando trabajas mucho, you're very exhausted, you get tired. Especially in the mornings, right? Especialmente en las mañanas, sometimes you feel tired, right? Tired. And finally, when something really bad happens and you're not happy at all, but you're annoyed, you're angry. I'm angry, right? Cuando están enojados, angry. So, let's see. You're going to see pictures of celebrations. Vamos a ver 2 cositas que pueden ocurrir en la vida de alguien. And you're going to say, what emotion does it make you feel, right? So here we have a birthday cake, yum yum, a present, and balloons. So what celebration are we talking about? ¿Qué celebración será? Do you have an idea? It's a birthday, right? So when it's your birthday, you feel very happy. Cuando el cumpleaños se siente happy, right? Because you get presents. Now, when you work out, cuando hace mucho ejercicio, o corre mucho, or you lift some weight, you feel very, very, very... ¿Cómo se siente? Feel very tired. Very good. You feel tired and exhausted. I'm so tired, right? Good. So here we have different people, different members of the family, and they're feeling different emotions, right? So let's check number 1. In number 1, we have, who is he? This is grandpa or grandfather, right? Grandpa. And he is not happy. He is very angry, right? He is angry. Good. How about number 2 there? In number 2, we have the sister, and she's receiving presents, ha recibido regalitos, so she is very, very, she's very happy, right? She is happy. In number 3, we have the brother, he's a boy, brother, and his scooter is broken. The scooter is broken, so now he feels really He feels really sad, right? He's not happy, he's very sad. Good. And finally, in number 4, we have the mother. We have the mother. And she has been working all day long. Now she is very, 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 very tired, right? Tired. So, we're going to check their emotions. Vamos a revisar sus emociones. And then you will have to write. Van a tener que escribir, right? Number 1, we said that Grandpa felt angry at the dog. In number 2, in the birthday celebration, the sister is very happy, right? She is very, very happy. In number 3, the brother who's broken his scooter, right? Scooter broken. He is very sad, right? He's crying, está llorando, right? So he's sad, muy triste. And finally, number 4, mother, she is very tired, right? Está muy cansada, tired, right? And sleepy as well, probably, right? Good. So here's how you complete. Así van a completar. Number 1, dijimos que era, we said number 1 is granddad and he is angry. Number 2 is, do you remember? ¿Se acuerdan? Sister and she's very happy, right? Number 3, the brother and he is very sad. And number 4, we have the mother and she is very tired, right? Good. And that's it, guys. Ese es el trabajo de esta semana. That's the work for this week. I hope you enjoy it. It's not difficult, it's very easy. And thank you so much. See you next class. Yes? Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.